Hello cuties, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel which is Beauty Have Knowledge with me. Guys, today's video is all about winter season, a complete skincare routine, dry skincare routine, mistakes to avoid and product recommendation expert tips. If your skin becomes dull, dry, flaky, itchy and tight, then this video during winters this video is just for you. Watch this video till the end because I will also share about night repair skincare routine and lip care and DIY products. Guys, let's start. Why skin uh, flaky, dry during winters? Cold air outside has low humidity. Inside heaters has reduced moisture and hot shower stripped natural oil. Our skin barrier becomes weak. Natural oil production, sebum production decreases, results dry, flaky, and sensitivity. The outer layer of our skin is called stratum corneum. When it loses moisture, our skin cracks and flakes. Morning skincare routine. Gentle cleansers. Always use gentle cleansers uh, like CeraVe cleansers, Cetaphil cleansers. Avoid forming cleansers, hydrating ingredients like glycerin and hydrating toner, aloe vera gel, rose water, hyaluronic acid. This step extra add extra hydration and serums. Serums is very important during winters for your skin care. Best serum for winters: hyaluronic acid serum, vitamin E serum, minimalist hyaluronic acid serum. Apply on slightly damp skin. Use only use one drop, only a one drop. And moisturizer: ceramide, thick cream, shea butter. Example Nivea cream. Example Cetaphil cleanser, moisturizing cream, and use very small amount because they are very heavy cream based moisturizers. Sunscreen. Sunscreen, yes, even in sorry, even in winters, UV rays are present in winters also. Use SPF 30 plus daily and night skincare routine. Guys, use gentle cleanser. मॉर्निंग में भी जेंटल क्लींजर एंड नाइट में भी जेंटल क्लींजर ही हमें यूज करना है. रिमूव डर्ट एंड सनस्क्रीन. फेशियल ऑयल्स, almond oil, rosehip oil. Massage gentle for 2 to 3 minutes. Heavy heavy moisturizers. At night, you can use heavy thicker moisturizers. Lock moisturizer by applying on damp skin. DIY products: aloe vera gel plus multani mitti. You can also say a fuller's earth and a few drops of milk. Apply 15 minutes only. With you can also add 1 spoon of honey. Banana plus uh, cream mask and great for extreme dryness. Aloe vera plus vitamin E for glowing skin and hydrating skin. Lip care: chapped lips, peeling tips. Avoid licking lips. लिप्स को लिक नहीं करना है. Use balm, lip balm with SPF. Vaseline therapy, lip therapy is also a very good product. Apply at night. Apply thick layer. Body care: use body care immediately after bath. Body butters worst. Body butter works in winters also, and use oils also shower for extra glow. Diet: include nuts, seeds, omega 3. Good fats are very good for your skin and body and also internal part of your uh, parts. Mistakes: Don't use hot showers. Don't tap your and licking your lips. Don't use alcohol based products and toners and moisturizers and whatever like cleansers. Not moisturizing night में moisturize नहीं करना है. So guys, this is my video. So like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Beauty Hub Knowledge with me. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.